Hello and welcome to MindSpeak, Learn with M&S. Today we're going to talk about something really important. Why should we improve our English knowledge? Let's get started. English is the most widely spoken language in the world. It's used in education, business, travel, and online content. When you understand English, you can access more knowledge, connect with more people, and grow faster in your career or studies. Even on YouTube, Google, and social media, most valuable content is in English. So improving English helps you understand the world better. In most jobs today, English is essential. From job interviews to emails and meetings, English is everywhere. If you can speak and write in English clearly, you will stand out. That means more job opportunities, promotions, and confidence in the workplace. Imagine speaking English fluently in an interview. You'll shine without fear. When you speak English confidently, you feel good. You can talk to new people, understand movies and books, and travel easily. It also improves your thinking power because learning a language makes your brain more active and flexible. You don't need to go to a big class. Start simple. Listen to English songs or podcasts. Speak out loud every day, even alone. Watch English videos with subtitles. Read short stories. Write one paragraph daily in English. Remember, little steps every day will lead to big results. So, my friends, improving your English is a smart investment in your future. You'll feel more confident, more connected, and more capable. Keep practicing. Keep listening. And most importantly, don't be afraid to speak. Thanks for listening to MindSpeak, Learn with M&S. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share. Until next time, stay confident and keep speaking.